Hey everybody, I just want to take a moment to go over how I get the historical data for my projects. I do it with a script that I wrote that extracts the data from the chart. So right now we have 250 days of 1 hour data. But let's say that's not good enough and I want more information. I would open up Claude Code. I need to add a few indicators. We will add the 20. And then it will do its work, read what I have, make the changes. Let me get ready. Sometimes Claude Code is fast and sometimes it just takes a little bit, but it can do anything and everything you want. I'll show you after this. So now that that's done, then we'll compile it. Change it to 500. Now we have 500 days of 1 hour data. Open, high, lows, close, the 21, 75, and the 100 EMA. And then I would take this. Let's grab this. Take care of those dependencies. And now I'm ready to start a new project. Let's open up this. Give it a second to finish. So I know the downtrend's played out with the break and the two legs to a new low, but I still feel like we have more lows in our future. Even on the daily, it's been a long time since these EMAs have come back towards the slow EMA. And it's only a matter of time before they do. But now that that's done, a decent typer at best. I'm sorry that took so long. But this is how I work on projects, and I made the fair value bot. I made the historical data script. AI has just done it all for me, just like this. I tell it what I want, and then here we go. These levels create natural magnets for price action. I agree. I agree. Yes. So I like the active. Wording is everything. Because if you describe it wrong, it's going to send you down the wrong path, and then sometimes getting it back to where you want is just easier to start over. I'm going to wrap it up for now, and then keep working on this, and I'll post the updates when I got them. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.